Hello everyone, in this video today we are going to see how an admin can block the feed view for a student. So if I log in as an admin, all you need to do is to open the web.vawsum.com page on your screen and you log in with your admin credentials. So the username and the password, you log in as an admin. After you log in as an admin, from the left column please go to the option settings, which you will find the very last option. Click on that. Please click on the third option, feed view privileges. After you click on feed view privileges, this is the page which would open in front of your screen, and from here you can select the class and the section of the students for whom you would like to block the privilege. Now after you click on submit, this will show you the list of students for the particular class and the section. Now from here you can select multiple students, or you can set the privilege for more than one student at the same time. If you want, you can select only one student. Say this is commonly used when school finds defaulters for fees. Maybe the parents have not been able to pay their fees on time, or maybe due to some other reason the student might not continue with the school at this point. So instead of deleting the entire record for the student, school can actually block the privilege or block the access for the student to log in the app, or the student might be able to log in at this point but not be able to see any further communication from the school or the teachers. Now we will see how we can do that. So as you can see, there is a column under each header. So first one would be feed block. So for a student, if you want to block the feed so that the student would not be able to view any communication from the app, Vawsum app, so you click on block. So say for example I take the students Monava De Ghoshal, the second student from top. Now you want to block the feed view privilege for this student. You click on block. It will prompt for a passcode to enter, which is a password. Now this password is very restricted and can be shared on request, on through mail, through an email to the support team at Vawsum centralized help desk, which is vcare@vawsum.com. So you can always reach us, and with a valid reason we'll be we can share you the password to you, with which you can enter and go for the restrictions and can activate the restrictions. So here I have the password. It is not common in nature for all the schools, so this is randomly generated. So I put it in, and if I click on submit, so the next prompt that will come on the screen is the privileges updated successfully. If you click on OK, now you will see the feed got blocked. So we will see another example. Say for example, if I consider the student Ajay, right? This is a student we consider. So if I click on block, I put in the passcode, click on submit, and I click on OK. So see, for Ajay you'll find the block as highlighted. so which indicates that the feed view privilege, feed view access for the particular student has been blocked. Now after the student or the parent has paid the fees, or maybe the school would further allow the student to go with the communication for the class or from the school to check the communications, all the communications from the school, we can always go ahead and revert this access. So you put in back the passcode, click on submit, and it's updated successfully. So see, it's going back to the same privilege. So now the student would again be able to access or see or view all the feeds from the school or the teacher, the communications. At the same time, we have this column for login block. So for any student, if you would like to block the login itself, so that the parent would not be able to log in any further with the username and the password, the same process can be followed. However, as this is very restricted and a delicate access or a delicate change in the system, so we request you to proceed with this activity. Please reach us, please reach the Vawsum support team, and with a valid email, with a valid request, we will be glad to share you the code, or we will take you through how you can get the code, so you can proceed with this feature. Hope this would allow you to keep the records at the same time for the student for a long time without deleting the student from your records, even though you want to block the specific feed view for a student or the login access, keeping the records for the students. You can always use this feature, and this would be effective for you. Thank you.